Hey there, Jennifer from Tarle Speech with your 2 for Tuesday homophone lesson. Homophones are words that are pronounced exactly the same way. They just have different spellings and different meanings. Our words today are friar, a member of a religious order, and fryer, a vat of hot oil for cooking. We have 2 syllables here, FRYER. Let's start with the fry syllable. That is our stressed syllable. Stressed syllables are higher in pitch, louder, and have a longer vowel. Most of my students miss the longer vowel piece, so focus on that longer vowel. Let's start with that F sound. To do this, you are going to gently bite the inside or the outside of that bottom lip, basically touch the teeth, and then the air will move out. Add that R, and to do this, tip of your tongue is down or flipped back, back of the tongue is pulled high up, and then we are going to add that I, and to do that open wide, and then move to a more smiling shape. The tongue will start low, the tip low, and then move higher. And then syllable number 2 is yer. To do this, you're going to start with that ya sound. This sound is tricky for so many of my students. I say think about touching the back part of the sides of the tongue to the insides of the back teeth. That will help you to hold the tongue in place. And then the tip of your tongue is going to be pointed down. You do not want to touch the teeth. Ya, ya, ya. And then add the square tense lips, just like that first R. This one is going to be a little bit longer. Tip of the tongue is down or flipped back. Yer, yer, yer. Let's put it all together. FRYER, 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 FRYER. And now for a sentence. The friar got the fryer ready for the Lenten fish fry. Give it a try. I know people are going to notice the difference. I hope you found this helpful. Please join me tomorrow. Have more lessons. And if you liked this, check out the description. I have a link to all of my homophone lessons for you to learn so many words and easy, quick pronunciations. Thanks so much, everyone. Hope to see you tomorrow.